Hey everyone, welcome to the TenorShare PDNob channel. Need to print a PDF as a booklet? Whether you're creating a manual, brochure, workbook, event program, or study guide, booklet printing can save paper, reduce costs, and make your document look much more professional. The challenge is that many PDF files aren't automatically formatted for booklet printing, and the steps can be different depending on your device. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to print a PDF as a booklet on Windows and Mac. First, Method 1. Using Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Both Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome include built-in printing tools that can help you create booklet-style prints. Open your PDF in Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Press Ctrl P to open the print menu. Select your printer from the list. Enable two-sided printing if your printer supports duplex printing. This is essential for booklet creation. Adjust paper size and page settings as needed. Then print the document and fold the pages into a booklet. The pros of this method are that it requires no additional software, it works on most Windows computers, and it's quick and easy for simple booklet printing. The cons are that it offers limited booklet-specific settings. Page ordering may not always be optimized for booklet layout. It depends on printer duplex support, and there's limited print customization. Method 2. Using Preview on Mac. Mac users can use Preview together with macOS printing options to create booklet-style documents. Here's how. Open the PDF in Preview. Click File, then Print. Expand the print settings if necessary to see all options. Enable two-sided printing. Look for a booklet or duplex option. Choose the appropriate layout and orientation, often selecting Booklet under Layout options. Then print the document and assemble it as a booklet. The pros are that it's built into macOS, free and easy to access, and requires no extra software. The cons are that it offers limited booklet layout options, may require manual page arrangement for complex documents, and is less flexible for professional or large documents. Method 3. TenorShare PDNob. If you regularly print booklets or want more professional results, TenorShare PDNob PDF Editor is the best option. It gives you greater control over page organization, page size, and printing settings before sending the document to the printer. Here's the process. First, download and install TenorShare PDNob PDF Editor on your computer. Open your PDF file. Review and rearrange pages if needed. This is a key advantage. If your pages are out of order or you need to remove blank pages, you can do that here. Go to Print Settings. Configure booklet-style printing options, including page layout, orientation, and duplex settings. Most importantly, preview the output before printing to ensure everything looks correct. Then print your booklet. The advantages of PDNob are substantial. More control over booklet printing layout than browser or preview options. Easy page organization and rearrangement before printing. Fix problems before they reach the printer. Preview output before printing saves paper and frustration. It supports editing, annotation, OCR, and PDF conversion as part of a complete PDF toolkit. And it's better for large or professional documents that need precision. The only con is that it requires installation, and some advanced features may require the full version. Let's compare the 3 methods. Browser printing is convenient for quick jobs, but booklet settings are limited. Preview is a solid free option for Mac users, but it may require additional manual adjustments. TenorShare PDNob provides the most complete workflow, allowing you to prepare, organize, edit, and print PDFs professionally. Before printing your booklet, keep these tips in mind. Check your page count. Booklets work best when the total number of pages is divisible by 4. If not, blank pages may be added automatically by your printer driver. Use duplex printing when possible. Automatic double-sided printing saves time and improves alignment. Preview before printing. Always check the print preview to ensure page order and orientation are correct. If your pages are out of order, tools like TenorShare PDNob make it easy to reorganize, rotate, or remove pages before printing. If this guide helps you create beautiful booklets, please give the video a like. For a link to try PDNob, check the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.